time to wake up, guys. Why? Because XRP has. It's time to be grateful too, and I'm grateful for XRP finally moving up, up, and away we go. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $1.53. Beautiful. Now that's what I want to see. Green. Bitcoin moving higher as well, guys. Right? So it could be time. It could honestly be time, guys. Is it going to happen on this Thanksgiving Day, where it's a time to be thankful? Now, check this out, guys. Right now, how is this even possible? I don't know. You have to tell me. Now, guys, are a fun part of XRP in the XRP community. No, this is quite interesting. What do we have here? What do we have here? This is the craziest thing I've ever seen, guys. Okay, listen very carefully. So it just gets weirder by the day. We got the GXRP Bitwise Physical XRP ETP. Bragging House follows 589 different accounts. Matt Hogan over here at Bitwise, guys, okay, follows 589 different accounts. And what's funny about all this is that, wait, Bitwise Invest literally follows 123 different accounts. So we got 123 and 589. Now, who really is Matt Hogan? The CIO at Bitwise Invest, right? That's insanity, if you ask me. Wow, quite interesting, right? Quite interesting. And they actually did talk about how, look at this, XRP and the XRP ledger are among the most familiar and trusted blockchains in crypto. XRPL is unique with over 10 years of track record in reliability. While continuing to expand in capabilities, we are thrilled to be providing access for investors through an institutional quality products with the Bitwise Physical XRP ETP, right? The co-founder of Bitwise. But again, someone literally over there follows 589 different accounts, guys, and we know the number 589 is very significant. Right? Even 123, literally Bitwise, the account itself follows 123. Come on, right? How do you even make this stuff up? You don't. This is how I know, guys. If you don't really believe in the riddlers, then I don't know what you're doing, right? Because believing in something will give you, hopefully, an edge to the market. Mr. Poole once upon a time tweeted on this day 4 years ago, begin, right? Coffee is needed, it seems as. Time for what? No sleep season. 0.589. When I seen this tweet, I started laughing. I knew it. Charles Hoskinson switched his tune, guys, right? And now we see Charles Gasparino. What does he say? The game changer for XRP, in my honest opinion, is Donald Trump being elected as president. But wait a minute. Just tell me if I'm gonna get rich off XRP, Charles. Thanks. My answer, maybe. Right? And people were like, wait, what? He's actually turning bullish? Look at that. What did we say? Well, it's quite clear that whoever hates on XRP will switch over, guys. Once upon a time, they will switch over. Right? They will. Wow. Interesting. Again, when I seen that tweet, guys, I was laughing because I know the day is coming where people will flip into being bulls for XRP. Now, maybe they should. If they don't, they're probably going to get left behind. Kichiro once stated, "It won't be in October, most likely the end of November and the first 2 weeks of December." Hey, is it about to appear? Right? This ending theme, let's just say. But hold that thought for a second. Hello December for Mr. Poole, right? Hello December. I don't know if he ever stated any other month, right? Or gave an introduction to any other month, guys. I don't think he has, right? But for December, he literally posted, hello December. Well, it's like a confirmation. Maybe we should watch out for it. That's fascinating how this ties into this tweet. But then, wait a minute. This tweet as well. From Big Short. The pace will quicken in the realms of financial prosperity at the end of November. Right? Now, if we go in this trajectory, guys, okay, of XRP, please just keep going higher and higher and higher. if it just keeps going higher and higher and higher, right, here soon, and then in the month of December, well, it will be confirmed. And Bitcoin as well, right? Look at Bitcoin going higher as well. We need all these things to go up, guys, right? These sweeps will be confirmed if it just keeps going more and more and more up, 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 up. We'll see though. Now, oh, they certainly do. Whispers of tomorrow dance with secrets unveiled where the sun meets the moon on the 28th trail. And today is what? The 28th. What does this mean? Well, Thanksgiving Day from David Schwartz. Comment down below what you're thankful for if you're watching to this point in time. Okay, what you're grateful for, guys. It's good to be grateful every day, right? But today is a sad day to actually be grateful and thankful for something. So he says, "Aw, cute, so cute. Look at this. What do we think? A celebration? Don't worry, guys. I'm celebrating when XRP hits $2, right? Though." I'm trying to think if this obviously, if I could get a confirmation or some type of a cryptic tweet, guys, from David Schwartz. The reason why I say this, guys, is because it connects to this tweet. Okay, here soon. If I could get some type of tweet, even if it's cryptic, guys, it doesn't matter. At least pointing to this tweet being completed, right? As in checkmark, guys. It's going to be a rough ride. This was on 12/4/2021. Okay, so in early December, he says it's going to be a rough ride, right? And from that point in time, well, XRP didn't do too swell, okay? But now it seems like the trend has shifted, right? The tide is turning around, guys. So if I could just get some type of tweet that says, well, there are now good times on the horizon, that's going to make me quite happy. I do want to mention, I'm pretty sure this tweet is done and over with, guys, right? It's no more a rough ride because of the confirmations we have already gotten, such as Donald Pump coming into play, right? The case here concluding soon, right? And especially when Brad Garlinghouse, well, not Brad Garlinghouse, but he is a knight, though BG123 did say prosperity is staring at us, right? It's staring right at our faces, guys. So I'm pretty sure this has already gotten confirmed from different accounts, not from David Schwartz, or it's done and over with, right? Now, on this day, Thanksgiving 2024 marks 5,809 days since Bitcoin's birthday. Another 589 connection, huh? Wow, crazy. Look at this. So dark in here. I cannot wait until morning, November 28th of 2021. Don't worry, sleep tight. I already see daylight. Breathe. I already see the light. Then we see 11:28, the timestamp of this tweet. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Explosion. I mean, XRP is moving today. That's the thing, guys, right? Once upon a time, the Riddler suggested, hey, XRP will add 5 trillion to market cap overnight. This was tweeted before Big Short tweeted 5T. Okay, it means XRP has been confirmed. Well, what? Are we going to see an influx of $5 trillion heading towards XRP at some point in time, right? Check this out. If I remember correctly, I think Brad was quoted as saying $5 trillion by the end of the year, earlier this year, right? During April, I think, or something, guys. But then he even said he underestimates, right? He underestimated that type of prediction, guys. So it's probably like 7 trillion by end of year. If that's the case, right now we are at 3.33 trillion. Okay. Wow. Bitcoin's rally has halted, but it's only a matter of time until it overcomes from CoinDesk the 100k level and runs to much higher prices. 100%, right? Because from Bearable Girl 123, she once pointed out, hey, the bulls are in control, right? The bulls are in control, guys. It sure seems like it, especially when RLUSD is about to go live. Ripple has made a bold move in the crypto world, burning nearly all of its Ripple USD tokens. In a single day, 50 million RLUSD tokens were permanently removed from circulation. They were all test coins. Why is it a bold move? So the natural process would be to burn everything and start with a fresh slate once testing is confirmed to be successful. After this period, everything minted would be backed and pegged with dollar. If testing is completed successfully, burning would just be part of the best or test. It might have many minting, transfer, and burning steps in the whole process. The only stablecoin I see, right, never gets burned is USDT. USDC does. This does. Odd. Not odd for Ripple or Circle, odd for Tether. But again, these are some good news, guys, coming out and about. Next one. Breaking. Ripple scores big in the XRP versus SEC legal war. Ripple just got a major boost in its fight with the SEC. A United court approved its request to speed up the final judgment in the XRP lawsuit. The case has been dragging on for years. Could now end sooner, especially with SEC Chair Gary Gensler stepping down in January. Meanwhile, XRP surged to $1.46 after hitting 3-year high of $1.63 last week, guys. It's going to be done and over soon. This is the California plaintiff lawsuit, not Ripple versus SEC. Interesting. But if that case gets completed, right, even though it isn't about Ripple, guys, or XRP, if that case, again, the thing is, guys, no matter which case it may be, right, even if it's indirectly connected to Ripple, which this one is, right, this one, there's still some type of dark energy above surrounding Ripple, right, indirectly. When you have zero, nada, right, nothing connected to Ripple XRP, that's a negative. Okay, so this is very beautiful. One by one, they're all going to eat the dust if they don't comply. Looking forward to Brad Garlinghouse on 60 Minutes. Tesla took off after this episode. Really now, right? And Elon Musk did say right here, I'm not going to play the clip, but he doesn't respect the SEC. I'm pretty sure Brad doesn't either. Price is foreshadowing some type of news incoming because it's going higher without any type of crazy news. I'm guessing case conclusion, Trump, right? Maybe something else on the horizon. XRP not only battling short-term retracements, but looking to close its highest daily candle since May 19th, 2021. Hold this level or above for a further 6 hours, 40 minutes, guys, right? And it is right now. Seems like hopefully we keep going higher. XRP versus Bitcoin itching to continue to the upside, right? Consolidation. You guys can see consolidation. Upward bullish continuation. Next targets are $1.88, $5.85, $18. Look at the gap in between. One single mistake, it's over for you. I'm holding on my hands. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm hodling. RSI is super bullish right now too. Above 70. It just breached 70. Last time it did. Look what came through next, guys. I'm going crazy. It's about to happen. Please, God, it's finally time. Trump team interviews Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as SEC chief. Right? Trump is going to eliminate capital gains taxes on these cryptos, including XRP. Perfectly timed, wouldn't you say so? Trump is the chosen one to introduce a new financial system with XRP.
Excuse me, somebody had to do it. I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
And I, from late 2019, say that XRP is the chosen one too. Confirmed like never before. Such from the fountain for today's video comes from Donald Trump. Happy Thanksgiving to all. Right? Don't worry, our country will soon be respected, productive, fair, and strong. And you'll be more than ever before proud to be an American. A little bit more fair. Interesting. And there it is, guys. And there we go. Now, financial advice, let's see what comes up next. But it's beginning, it seems as thank God, thank goodness. But anyways, guys, hope it's amazing. See ya.